For sale, 2021 GMC Savana Cutaway 16-foot box truck configured for dependable, light-duty cargo work with a Morgan body, rear roll-up door, translucent roof, and aluminum walk-up ramp for quick, safe loading. Power comes from a 6.6-liter L8T V8 rated at 401 horsepower paired with a 6-speed 6L90E automatic. Chassis specifications include 12,300 pounds GVWR, 177 inches wheelbase, spring suspension, single rear axle, 4,300 pounds front, 8,800 pounds rear, and a 33-gallon fuel tank. Interior and driver aids include the Power Convenience Package, Driver Convenience Package, Rear View Camera, Forward Collision Alert, Lane Departure Warning, and a towing package for added versatility. Recorded at 3,058 engine hours, with one owner, fleet maintained history, clean Carfax, and service records available, ready for route duty.
Looking for a reliable work truck with financing that works for you? Truck and Van Outlet is your destination for top-quality commercial vehicles and zero down payment financing designed to help business owners, contractors, and fleet operators hit the road without the financial headache. Whether you're hauling cargo, lifting with a bucket truck, or handling construction jobs with a dump body, our inventory is built for hard work and real-world performance. Each truck is thoroughly inspected, professionally maintained, and ready to go. Because downtime isn't an option when you've got jobs to finish and clients to serve. We offer easy and flexible financing options, nationwide delivery, and a customer-first approach that's earned us a reputation you can trust. Our team is here to guide you every step of the way, from selecting the right vehicle to getting you approved and rolling fast. At Truck and Van Outlet, it's more than just a sale, it's a partnership, because when your business moves, we move with you. Call us today at 305-646-1945 or visit truckandvanoutlet.com to browse our inventory and apply for financing. Your next work truck is just a click away. Truck and Van Outlet. Tough trucks, easy terms, real value.